there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with a showdown between the Anycubic 4K Plus resin printer and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. It's resin versus filament, monochrome versus Technicolor, and a battle of epic proportions. So buckle up, because things are about to get layered. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes your wallet cry: price. The Anycubic 4K Plus resin printer is priced at $229, while the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is slightly cheaper at $219. It's a small difference, but every dollar counts. Now, let's speed things up with print speed. The Anycubic 4K Plus has an exposure time per layer of 1.5 to 3 seconds, making it a precision printer. Meanwhile, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE is much faster with a print speed of up to 250 millimeters per second. If speed is your priority, the Ender 3v3 SE is the way to go. Next up, print quality. The Anycubic 4K Plus features a 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD screen, capturing every tiny detail. Reviewers love its high-resolution prints, especially for miniatures. On the other hand, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE also offers high precision, but focuses more on speed. Reviewers appreciate its quality, but note that it shines in larger, quicker projects. When it comes to build volume, the Anycubic 4K Plus offers 143 by 89 by 165 millimeters. It's perfect for smaller projects. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE, however, provides a larger build area, great for bigger creations. If you need more space, the Ender 3v3 SE is your go-to. Ease of use is crucial, especially for beginners. The Anycubic 4K Plus comes with the Photon Workshop Slicer 3.0, which some users find complex. However, once you get the hang of it, it's a powerful tool. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is praised for its easy assembly, auto-leveling, and auto-filament loading. It's user-friendly right out of the box. Extruder and build plate, the unsung heroes of 3D printing. The Anycubic 4K Plus has a laser-engraved build plate, ensuring prints stick well. Reviewers suggest lightly sanding the build plate for even better adhesion. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE comes with a Sprite Direct extruder, known for its smooth filament flow and reliable performance. Overall, reviews for the Anycubic 4K Plus resin printer highlight its high detail and quality, especially for miniatures, but note a learning curve with the software. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is praised for its ease of use, speed, and value for money, although some users have faced issues with the auto-leveling feature. So there you have it, folks. The Anycubic 4K Plus resin printer, your detail-oriented, precision-loving option. And the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, your speedy, user-friendly powerhouse. Which one's right for you? Let us know in the comments which printer you're rooting for and why. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more smart buying tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart.